Here is the overlook. I guess there's some other people here, but we're gonna get some video footage. So Anna had the wise idea of pushing what? We were in the nature center, and what did you push, Anna?
The lightning button.
Now that is very not fun to push because it is cloudy and there were scattered storms yesterday. So thanks for that.
It's very loud.
Yes, it was so loud that I jumped.
I didn't.
So we're gonna check out some trails in a bit here, but I guess there's supposed to be a tortoise here, but we cannot find him. So we're wondering if he escaped or if he's hiding in the cave. But it's like kind of off and on sprinkling out. So we're gonna walk this way and trying to check it out. Trails are wet. Flooded. Palmetto Passage is closed. Okay, it is raining. Oh. There he is. He's chilling inside that shed, probably because it's raining. See him in there? Not really? Oh, we're gonna have to grab an umbrella. Okay. We're gonna have to grab an umbrella. But we are here, and I would love to go to the overlook. So I wonder if we can... Where's the... Oh wait, Palmetto Passage is the one that's closed. So, alligator snakes are common in this area. They can be dangerous. Do not approach. Ian, does that sign say 8?
What does it say?
What does it say, Anna?
It doesn't say gators, does it?
I'm paying more attention to not...
Hopefully you already have breakfast.
well... Yeah, it is a...
Boardwalk.
We found the boardwalk. It gets worse first. Here's the boardwalk. We're trying to get to the overlook.
Hey, Eric.
Hi, Mom. This right here is a beautiful shot. Beautiful.
They've got dead gator smell.
Yeah, it looks very beachy here. Anna, what's this say? Volunteers clear the way. Overlook. What's that?
What?
Where? Anna, she does this all the time. I mean, when we were at the visitor center, she screamed. I stopped. I thought I stepped on something, and it was just a little gecko running. Yeah, we need to pass 13, and then we're there. Found 13. We are just about to the overlook. We just got to get through this mucky mess. Boardwalk may be slickery. Look at this. All the dead trees. What, the dead trees with the Spanish moss? There's a group. Here is the overlook. I guess there's some other people here, but we're gonna get some video footage. I think it's just overlooking a lake or a swamp. Look at the Spanish moss on those trees. Look at that. Wonder what they have down there. Here's the overlook. I'm gonna walk this way. Well, there you go. There's the overlook. Just the swamp thing. And I was like, wonder what do they do down there?
Might probably do like nature studies, go on their kayaks and stuff.
Kayaks, yeah. Looks like a kayak launch.
Kayak or,
And it looks like there's a bigger lake right over there on the other side.
yeah.
No, but we're just looking at the overlook of the swamp.
Probably good to be here now.
Oh yeah.